Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade ice cream dessert. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including fresh heavy cream, whole milk, and granulated sugar. Next, prepare your ice cream machine by chilling the bowl thoroughly, usually overnight. This initial preparation is crucial for achieving the perfect texture. We will then combine our base ingredients and begin the churning process, transforming simple liquids into a delightful frozen treat. To begin, gather your core ingredients: 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, and about 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar. For flavor, a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract is classic, or you could add 1/4 cup of cocoa powder for chocolate. Crucially, you will need an ice cream maker. Make sure its churning bowl has been frozen solid for at least 16 to 24 hours to ensure proper freezing. If you are finding this guide helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like this video. On another note, imagine listening to your favorite music while making ice cream. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It is perfect for setting timers, playing music, or even finding new recipes hands-free. Check the description below for the link to the Echo Dot and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your base is ready, whisk together the heavy cream, milk, and sugar until the sugar completely dissolves. You can gently warm the milk to help with this, then cool it thoroughly. Pour the chilled mixture into your ice cream maker's frozen bowl. Turn on the machine and let it churn for about 20 to 30 minutes, or until the ice cream reaches a soft serve consistency. This slow churning incorporates air, making it light and creamy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.